Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Killzone 3 game and controller bundle. As you can see, it comes with an Urban Camo controller and, of course, the Killzone 3 game. And I bought it for $59.99. And you got some artwork on the side, some screenshots of the game. Nice screenshots. And everything about the game, the combo pack, the info on it. A picture of the controller and the game, of course, which is on the front. Okay, so let's unbox this. I've already taken off the tape because I took precautions before I did this, because I've tried to make these videos before. Okay. Documentation. Oh yeah, play that later. Now the controller. Okay, that took long enough. And there's the controller. Urban Camo 6-axis. DualShock 3. Looks like a very well made controller. Okay, so right there's the bundle that you get. Great buy. Okay, that's all for this video. Remember, rate it, comment, subscribe. It'll help me out. But thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Bye.